other is you could run your favourite apps that you use on your FIRESTICK on your PC. Well, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. Let's get started. So yeah, if you didn't know already, you can run your favourite applications on your Windows PC. How? By using an Android emulator. Now there's many Android emulators on the market. Some are free, some are paid, but the one I'm gonna show you is absolutely free, and I believe to be the best Android emulator on the market today. Now, I'm on my Windows PC. I'm not sure if you can do this on Mac, but this is Nox right here, and that's what the emulator's called. And as you can see, when I open it up, it looks not like an Android tab. It has a built-in browser. I've even downloaded some of my favourite games on there. These are the built-in tools, as you can see the Play Stores on there. And I've installed a custom launcher, but you can install whatever Android application you like. Now, if I open up the browser, okay, so I'm on the browser, I can type in any website that I want to go to. So let's just go to my APK page. Here we are, so we're here, scroll down, find an application I want, just go for Aptoid TV, for example, scroll down, click on download Aptoid, and that's downloading Aptoid, as you can see here on my PC, and that's you can see, so are they downloaded, so I can open it up, click on install. It's as easy as that, folks. It's as if you're using the Android box. And if I click on open, and now if I click on OK, click now, and as you can see, we're in Aptoid TV. So I can navigate using the arrows on my keyboard. So if I wanted to install, say, I don't know, let's say this YouTube, I click on that, click on install, click on install again. It's just not using the Android box, folks. And if you're currently using a FIRESTICK and want to upgrade, you can literally just use your PC, download this emulator, and just use it as your main streaming device, which I actually think is a brilliant idea, because there's so much opportunities you can do with a PC than you can with an actual streaming device. So if we click on done, click on the house just down there, as you can see that app's downloaded. So if I open it up, click on yes. And if I wanted to search, cancel that. If I wanted to search, so it looks like I've got to use the keyboard on there, yeah? Here we are. And if I find one of my videos, and that's playing okay. It would play better if I wasn't recording this video, because obviously I'm currently running recording software. But yeah, I can just use YouTube or any streaming application on this emulator, like I would do on a FIRESTICK, for example. Now in this emulator, if I go into the settings, go down to System, I think, click on About Tab this, and this Android version 9. It won't be Android 9 by default. By default, I believe it's Android 7, but I will show you how to change that. But now I'm gonna show you how to actually get this great emulator on your PC. So if you open up any browser and go to this website, right, so bignox.com, so that's the website you need to go to, and then all you do is click on that download button, and it will obviously download the exe file, and then you have to run it and install it like you would on any program, folks. That makes sense? Hopefully, anyway. So, as you can see, it does have a Mac version, so this can run on a Mac PC, but we're doing Windows. Well, I'm doing Windows, I'm not sure about you, but once you've downloaded the program, you should see it in your list of apps. So if I type Nox, as you can see, Nox is there, but it will run on Android 7. In fact, if I open this up, you've got to give it some time to boot as well, guys, since it is turning the Android device. Okay, we're here. As you can see, it looks a bit different to what it was before. But if I go to settings now, this is actually Android 7. And as you can see, this is running Android 7.1.2. Obviously, before when I showed you, it was running Android 9. So you can stay on Android 7 if you want to, but not many applications are gonna work. So that's why I would recommend running it on Android 9. And the way to do that is if you go down here, so if you go to Nox within your applications, right click on it, go to open file location, and as you can see, we've been just here. So if we right click on this, because this is just the app itself, go to open file location, and that will show the directory it's in. And in here you should find multiplayer manager. Now you wanna find this one, double click on it, and that will load up this. And as you can see, there's two of them in there. One of them is Android 7 32-bit, and one of them is Android 9 64-bit. Now if we go down here to add emulator, because you will not see the Android 9, so if we add emulator, and then as you can see, you can go back to Android 5 if you want to, but I'm gonna select Android 7, and don't think it's paid. As you can see here, it says Pro Premium. It isn't paid at all. That's just one of emulator's code. So I'm gonna select Android 9 64-bit Premium, and as you can see, it's created a new instance. Now if we click on the play button, and as you can see, some of my other monitor starting from the first time. And if we go into the settings in there, scroll down to system, click on about tablet, and as you can see, Android 9 folks. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, smash the like button. If you want to stay up to date with the content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. That really helps out my YouTube channel. And with that all being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.